Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Quechua NH100 20L backpack. I'll be doing a giveaway of this bag, so please watch to the end to see the details of that. This backpack is actually an updated version of the Quechua Arpenaz 20 litre, which I also did a review on if you click the link up in the top right corner. The NH100 20L is overall a much better backpack with a couple of improvements that I like and make it much more usable overall. It's also very lightweight at 16.5 ounces or 470 grams. The main difference and improvement is that there's a firm plastic insert in the back panel backed with soft padding. This means that no matter what you pack in the bag, it won't press up against your back and cause any discomfort. And the back will be much more comfortable for longer periods of wear. There are 2 cinch cords on either side of the bag too. This helps you compress the contents a bit further when you load up the bag. There's also 3 attachment loops on the front of the bag, which could be useful if you want to carry certain items, or even thread some nylon through there and tie up a jacket or something. They could also be useful if you have a small carabiner like this. On the inside there's a large main compartment with a sleeve down the back which can fit a laptop or books. Up the top is a stash pocket for small items which also has a little hook inside for your keys. Around on the front is a single zippered front pocket, and the straps are thick and well padded with thumb loops and a built-in sternum strap. But I didn't really like the way the sternum strap adjusts on the vertical plane. It doesn't slide smoothly up or down, and it's a little bit annoying the way that you have to slide it up every time you put on the bag. The bag's material is somewhat water resistant, but the bag is not waterproof. Water can get into the zippers and seams, so I wouldn't suggest using this bag in wet weather. The bag is listed at 20 litres in capacity, and I find this to be a great overall capacity for a wide range of activities. I was able to fit my camera packing cube, Nintendo Switch and a couple of packing cubes, as well as my tech pouch and laptop with room to spare. The price comes in at $14 US, about 20 Australian dollars or 8 Great British pounds, which is a really amazing price for a bag that feels very durable and well made, and especially for all the features that it has. I like the new black colour and the faint pattern on the front. For comparison, this is the khaki colour. I didn't like the khaki colour as much, but there are several more colours available on the Decathlon website, although some colours are only available in some countries. Overall, a great backpack for school, hiking, travel, or even just a day pack, or anything you can think of. I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're in the market for a new, inexpensive day bag, or just a bag for daily travel. For the giveaway, I'll be giving away the bag you've seen in this video in the black colour, so please follow the link in the description to enter. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below what you think about this bag, and good luck for the giveaway. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.